just let me know. But they show no fish. Yeah, say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They say you found it, but she doesn't.
I got a secret for you. We no longer have to go to the hair salon and wait over 8 hours to get braids or get that hey boo text, your appointment's been canceled. We now can get a braided bust down wig from Luvme Hair, and it's given absolutely all natural, looks like I just left the salon, and it's completely glueless. If you're interested in this wig, then continue watching. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dental Babe Ray, and I'm back with another wig review for Luvme Hair Company. If you're wondering about this gorgeous unit that I'm currently wearing, this is a Luvme Hair wig. Unfortunately, this wig was from their outlet. It was the Ash Blonde Highlights wig, and it's no longer available. But if it looks familiar to you, this is the wig that I use for my wig one-on-one with lace tinting and lace melting. So be sure to go check that video out, along with the how to cut layers wig one-on-one. I'm so excited to show you guys this anticipated wig that everyone's been wanting, and I've been waiting to get my hands on this wig to do a review for you guys. Today's review is going to be on the hot knotless boho curls braided wig. Everyone's been talking about this wig, and I'm so excited that I finally got my hands on it. Luvme Hair sent me this gorgeous knotless braided unit. It's a 360 unit with full HD lace. It comes already pre-bleached for you and pre-plucked. Look at the boho curls that are on this unit. It's 26 inches, 150 density, and in the inside, it has the invisible adjustable drawstring so that this can fit your head perfectly. It also has the traditional adjustable strap with the silicone grip on it, along with the combs in the inside. This wig is a human hair and synthetic blend. It does feel a little bit rough, but I think when we add in the mousse, it will soften up. My first impression looking at this wig is I just can't believe how well this pre-bleached was done. That already is giving scalp, and I haven't even tried it on yet. So let's try this beauty on. This definitely exceeded my expectations. I'm so impressed with these braids and how well that this looks like my scalp. This literally looks like my hair is braided. Like, I'm so impressed right now. This wig is done to literal perfection. All right, y'all, so I'm going to go cut this lace off camera because I really want to concentrate so that I can put this back on and look like I just came out the hair salon. All right, so I'm back from cutting this lace. Look at this wig. Look at how melted this lace is, and it's completely glueless. Like, there's no glue at all whatsoever. It's already giving scalp. And all I did was just cut the lace. I followed the hairline, and this pre-bleach made this wig look so natural. I don't know what type of magic you did, Luvme, but this wig is definitely giving. So you can definitely wear this wig glueless if you want, but if you want to wear different styles, the sides don't lay completely flat to be glueless, so I'm going to opt to glue this one down. All right, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look how that looks like this is my hair braided. to show you guys the back of the unit because I know a lot of people are wondering what that looks like. Me personally, I wouldn't wear this wig up unless you glue the back down, but I'll just let you guys see exactly what it looks like. And remind you, I didn't glue it down. I didn't adjust the invisible drawstrings, so this is just how it looks with me having it like this. Let's style this unit together. Alright guys, so those are a few little cute styles that you're able to achieve with this unit. This wig is absolutely beautiful. I hope that you being able to see the back of the unit was beneficial to you because I know some of you were questioning how it looked from the back. And honestly, I really enjoy this unit. It looks very natural. I just personally wouldn't wear it up in an updo since there's no baby hair in the back to make it look more realistic. I did experience shedding from this unit because this unit is a human hair synthetic blend. This unit, you just have to treat it a little bit more cautiously than you would with your normal, just regular human hair wigs because this wig can get more tangled and matted quicker. You can't build this unit up with a lot of products. So don't be alarmed if you see shedding. This wig is going to shed, but it's not heavy at all. You do kind of forget that you're even wearing it. It's not itchy, and I have very, very sensitive skin. It's very comfortable, super easy to put on and go, very beginner friendly. I would recommend that if you're a beginner to get it pre-cut. The lace on this unit was impeccable. Whatever Luvme did, keep doing it. Make every unit like this where it's completely melted and blended away with no lace melt, glue, anything. All right, guys, so you know what time it is. It's grade with the Dental Babe. Time to give this gorgeous unit a grade. So we're gonna give her 10 out of 5 teeth. This wig is definitely deserving 10 out of 5 teeth. I know if you guys been following my channel for a long time, you're probably thinking, Ray, there was shedding and I know you don't like shedding, but this wig is a synthetic hair blend, so I already knew that was a possibility. For this being Luvme's first attempt at a knotless braided wig, this wig was done to perfection. The lace alone being able to be melted like this, where you can't even see the lace, and for it not even having baby hairs and this wig looks this amazing, I am beyond impressed. Luvme, whatever you did to pre-bleach this unit, do that for all of your wigs because this looks like literally my scalp. You can't even see where my wig cap is, where it starts and where it ends. Just a tip that I wanted to mention, to get this wig to lay down so it's flat so that it's not giving a cone head where it's sitting up high, I wore 2 wig caps because my braids underneath here, it's time for them to get redone, honey, okay? So if I didn't do 2 wig caps, my wig would have been way up to the sky and it would have been giving cone head. The only thing that I hope in the future that Luvme does is it gives us an option if we want baby hair, because I would really, really love to wear this unit up so that the baby hair can give a more natural look in the back. If you are contemplating getting this unit, look no further. You better go out and get you one. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay blessed.